Hello everyone, welcome to Research Needs. Today in this video we will see rat uterine horn image. We can see here if you want to see how uterine is visible. So you can see here it is not clearly visible, very blur. Here you can see the removed part. Here it is connected to ovary upside, and downside it is cervix, and down here it is connected to vagina. So now we will go and see its so we will click here and watch it. Bioassay of Oxytocin by Interpolation Method. We will click. So here you can see already the animal abdomen is open, and the pelvic region is open, and here you can see this is it is upside of the body. Here you can see the liver part, and it is downside the body. Means here it is uterine, and it is cervix downside, and later it has vagina. Here you can see it is showing ovary part, and it is a fallopian tube which is ending in ovary. So this is the uterine part.